So hi, welcome back to the Rural Project. My name's Chris, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the shed build. In the previous videos you'll have seen me putting in the piles and laying the slab, putting in the path around the concrete slab, but today it's time to see the rest of the shed getting built, and once we finish this video you'll see the complete shed. So as you can see, the shed started to go up today. Guys have been down, that's what they've got done in one day, so it's pretty good going. Bringing in all the steel, setting all the major members in place. Quite happy with that. It's going to sort of blend in quite nicely because it's not overly high. Okay, so today is day number 4, early in the morning. As you can see, it's another beautiful day. The shed build's been progressing really well, so it looks like most of the frame is up now. We've got the windows in, the ped door is in as well, all the bracing across on the roof. Roller doors over there on the floor ready to go in here. Oh, it's looking good. Looks like we've got a broken window which has to get repaired. I think this shed's got the $1 million view. It's a solid construction, isn't it? Big steel members. Okay, so I'm just back at the land again today. So yesterday we had nearly 50 mil of rain, and while that rain was coming down, I had the guys that are building the shed, they came back and did some finishing off. So what they've done all the trim, which just looks absolutely awesome. All the trim, the end panels, Got to say, they do an absolutely fantastic job. Veranda Solutions in Kilmore are the company that have built this for me, and yeah, they've done just a tremendous job. And you look at all the detail that's put into this. Looks like they didn't manage to get the window fixed yet. Hopefully they'll be back next week to finish it off. Yep, we've got the drainage pipes in, so I've now got to look at hooking those pipes in. There's one around the other side, hooking them into the drain system here. As you can see, obviously the drain pipe was just splashing down here before and all the water running underneath, so yeah, it's good they've got this pipe out now, pushing the water away. Yep, I definitely need to get it hooked up to my drain system. Same again here. Detail that's put into this is just amazing. Really pleased with it. It's not very often that you get people coming and doing a job for you where you come away saying, it's just fantastic. I'm so pleased. As you can see, the amount of water that run down the hill yesterday. A lot of water come down here. Let's go in and have a look. Yeah, so he's done a great job. So obviously it's all sealed up now. Sealed up, buttoned down.